What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X back today with another video. Today I want to talk a little bit about how to use the CPN to get approved for a car. So if you want to start Turo or Airbnb, you can start doing this in the next 45 to 60 days. This is no gimmick. This is no bullshit. You feel me? I'm in the drop right now. You feel me? So this is basically what you need to do. So the first step you want to do is you want to make sure that your CPN is actually tri-merged. A lot of my students have this problem. They always want to get shit done so fucking fast and don't want to do shit to build it right, don't want to spend no money on it. That's not how this shit work, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. You're gonna have to invest a little bit of money on some Tradelines. You're gonna have to make sure your public records is green, you feel me? Motherfucking woo woo. You gotta make sure your public records is green. You gotta do at least 100 to 500 of them motherfuckers, you feel me? Talking about doing 3 to 5. That shit ain't shit, you feel me? One of the most important parts is that skip trace. That skip trace will let you know if that CPN has ever been used by somebody before. If it's been used before, scrap that motherfucker, keep on moving, start over, get you a new one, and then build that one up. Once you get in the Credit Karma, then you know your shit pretty much good. So you feel me? Spend that little $20 on that $20 on that skip trace, get that shit done. I ain't even gonna lie. The public records is shit. Bro, all of this shit is easy if you stop overthinking it and if you allow somebody. Bro, this is what I do. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I be building these CPNs and I got somebody I have somebody who specifically is good at each individual part and I pay their ass to do that shit for me. So y'all keep coming to me, getting me to build y'all CPNs when y'all could be doing the same shit. And all you gotta do is just learn how to build a CPN. You feel me? Y'all niggas be wanting to spend a band, $1,500 every time on a CPN for somebody else to do that shit for you when you could be charging the same amount for other people and you could be teaching other people how to fucking make a CPN, you feel me? You could be doing the same shit I'm doing right now, but you just don't want to learn the information or you don't want to spend the time to do it or you don't have the funds to do it. Whichever way it may be, bro. Whatever the fuck you gotta do to get this information to learn these CPNs, bro, you gotta do that shit. Cause it will change your life in the course of 60 days, 30 days, 90 days, you feel me? That shit is quick. Y'all niggas talking about getting rich fast, but one thing you wanna understand is that if you build a CPN, you pop it off 50K and you burn that money, you don't know how to do it, then you won't be able to build another CPN yourself. You're gonna have to pay somebody else to do it. That's cool and all, but say if you spent that whole 50K and now you don't know what the fuck to do, you should have just learned how to build a CPN in the first place. And then you will always have that knowledge. You'll be able to keep that shit with you forever, bro. That's what this is really about, you feel me? It's about knowledge and knowing something that other people don't know and actually knowing how to utilize this shit. It's one thing to know how to build a CPN and it's another thing to know how to use that motherfucker so you can go get shit like this. So you can get motherfucking anything you want. Get cribs, get cars, credit cards, anything, bro. And this is not just with CPNs. You can use regular personal credit, you feel me? It's all the same. It is all the motherfucking same. It just depends on what place you are in your journey. If you need a CPN, most likely you done went through some shit and you got fucked up credit. So if you want to, you can go in the description and get my dispute templates. Them motherfuckers only like $30, bro. You can go change your motherfucking life. You can change your family life with that shit. If you don't want to, then all the information is still gonna be there for whenever you ready, you feel me? But this has been your boy X, and I don't feel like rambling too much. I just wanna give y'all a little bit of inspiration and let y'all niggas know that anything is possible, bro. Anything you wanna get done can be done, you feel me? It is 8 o'clock in the morning. And I'm out here finna go do some business. That's what you should be doing today. You should be going to get some fucking money.